Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy and tasty 3-ingredient butter cookies recipe. No eggs, no milk and no complicated step. Let's get started. First, take half a cup of softened butter in a bowl. Make sure the butter is at room temperature for the best texture. Now add quarter cup of powdered sugar. Beat the butter and sugar together until it becomes light and fluffy. This step is very important for soft and melt-in-mouth cookies. Now sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour directly into the bowl. Sifting helps remove lumps and gives a smooth dough. Gently mix everything together to a firm, soft dough. Do not overmix, just combine until everything becomes together. Now roll the dough into a log shape. You can use your hand to make this log shape. Wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. You can use foil or any kind of poly bag for this process. After wrapping the cookie dough, place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. This helps the cookies hold their shape while baking. Make these soft, buttery and melt-in-mouth cookies using only 3 ingredients. Chilling the dough is very important. It helps the cookies hold their shape and prevents spreading while baking. After 30 minutes, take the dough out from the freezer. Now cut into equal slices. You can keep them thick or thin depending on your preference. If your dough feels too soft, you can chill it for a few minutes. And if it feels too hard, don't panic. Just rest for few minutes. If you want, you can even add vanilla essence, chocolate chips or sprinkle some sugar on top for variation. Place the slices on a lined baking tray. Make sure to leave some space between each cookies. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Once the edges turn slightly golden, they are done. Once baked, carefully transfer them to a cooling rack. They might feel slightly soft at first, but as they cool down, they will become perfectly crisp. And that's it. Our simple, buttery, melt-in-mouth cookies are ready. These cookies are perfect with tea or coffee. You can also store them in an airtight container up to 1 week. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.